Hello students, I hope you all will be fine. So this is GK class. Today we are starting our unit 4 belong to the words and books. Now there we have some astonishing facts. About the astonishing fact, now first one we are studying about the typewriter. About the typewriter, you know that the word typewriter is the longest common word. We can type on the top row of a typewriter on our computer keyboard. So, the typewriter is the longest common word. Now, about the English. English is mainly a mix of Old High German, Old Norse, and Anglo-Norman. So we only started speaking recognizable modern English in the 14th century. Third one about the word alphabet. That alphabet words come from the two letter. That word belong to the Greek alphabet. ALPHA alpha, then BETA beta. Alpha beta give the combined word is we pronounce as a alphabet. The fourth one about the blend words. What is blend words? A word formed by joining together part of existing word is called a blend. Like that example, many new words enter the English language in the way simple. Now, we learn about the blend words. What is blend word? A word formed by joining together parts of existing word is called a blend. Many new words enter in English languages. In English, we have so many examples. In between, we have a simple example in our daily life. Maybe by some time in the morning time, according to busy schedule, or you have any other work, so were not able to take breakfast, and then after now lunch time also coming, but before the lunch time and after the breakfast we take some meals that is called brunch. Breakfast plus lunch giving the new word brunch. Now second is that motel. Motel is MO taken from the motor car plus TEL from the hotel. So motel becomes word from the motor car plus hotel. Like this we have so many words. So especially note that blends are not the same as the compound words. Which word we have got from the blends, they are not same as the compound words. Now come on the Bollywood movies. Now we will learn about the Bollywood movies. Everyone having interest in movies, different type movies we choose according to our choice. So many Bollywood movies are adopted from the bestseller novels. Now first one we are discussing about the movie guide. The movie guide is based on the critically acclaimed novel That Guide written by the R.K. Narayan, and the second movie is The Three Idiot that is based on the novel 5 Point Someone written by Chetan Bhagat. These are the many movies like that. Our next topic is compound words. What is compound words? Sometimes a noun and a noun equivalent or a noun phrase and are joined in a compound manner in order to express clearly and precisely a person or a thing. This is called a nominal compound. Means when we are making a particular word from the particular meaning, it is called nominal compound. Now number 1 is a wall made of stone. Means a wall which is constructed by stone, it is called stone wall. Number 2, clothes made by a machine is called machine clothes. Means those clothes is prepared by machine, we call that machine clothes. Number 3, stream in the mountain. In the mountain areas we have valleys and there we have stream also. So when we found the stream, these are called stream mountain, a mountain stream. Number 4, a serial on the television. When we are watching the serial on the television, that is called TV serial. Number 5, a program on the radio. I don't know you are listening or not, but when we are listening a program on the radio, like that any singing program, any quiz competition, any knowledgeable program, any fun or joke manner, like that when we listen the program on the radio is called radio program. Number 6, a path for walking on foot. When we are walking on a particular path is called footpath. Number 7, a train enjoyed as a toy. Means in a particular garden or in areas we found a train only for the enjoyment, that is called toy train. A man is skilled in sport. Means a particular person have some good qualities, have skill in a particular field, so that belong to his skill. So when a people have skill in sport is called sportman or sport person. Number 9, a party to celebrate birthday party. So birthday party is that when we are giving the party for celebrate our birthday is called birthday party. Number 10, a report containing the census. Means when we are giving report about the census is called census report. So students, now we learn about the nominal compound. We have the meaning. From the meaning we made nominal compound. And in next topic, what we do? In the next topic, we will have nominal compound, and from these nominal compound, we will make the meanings. Thank you, beta. Have a nice day.